Welcome back, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're canning up our favorite barbecue sauce. This recipe I didn't get from a canning book or the USDA. It's our favorite barbecue sauce and I'm canning it up. I'm canning a double batch of this today, so the recipe will be down in the description box. I have 4 cups of ketchup. This is what I've canned in the last video. 4 cups of red wine vinegar, 1 cup of molasses, 6 teaspoons of liquid smoke, 2 cups of brown sugar, and I have here 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. All you do is add all the ingredients to a pot. I'll scrape the rest of that out in a minute. Bring this up to a boil and then simmer for 30 minutes. It thickens up a little bit, but this is supposed to be a thin sauce. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. You can use lemon juice. This is to make sure I have the right acidity in the sauce. I'm going to fill the jar up to 1/2 inch of headspace. Debubble. Wipe the rim of the jar. Put on a lid and a ring to fingertip tight and put it in your canner. When your canner comes to a boil, processed for 40 minutes if you're above 1,000 feet, 35 if you're below. And there you have it. Some easy, quick barbecue sauce that tastes delicious. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day and come back and see us.